Hi, welcome back. This is Shearline Modifications 1. Okay. To the heart of the matter. The heart of the machine. The headstock, the motor, the speed control. You notice my speed control is mounted here on the motor and not on the belt guard. Shearline does not recommend you use their machine without the belt guard. I don't either. Don't use your machine without the belt guard. Okay? Safety first. But the quality of that belt guard, it was excellent. I mean, it took me 5 minutes with a 10-pound sledge to bust that plastic up. They really meant it to be tough and durable. And they succeeded. Okay, now, then we have here, you see, just a piece of strap iron, 1/2 inch diameter lug. If you got your basic Starrett indicator holder set, magnetic base, you'll find that it's got a clamp. It'll clamp on a 1/2 inch, and you can stick a bar out here and then have your indicator. And also, I'm thinking if I ever do a mist cool, that'd be a perfect place to stick a mister attachment to mount it. Or set up as a milling machine down this way. Yeah. Oh, this isn't a shearline modification. This is getting a totally oversized part and applying it to my shearline machine. This is beyond modification. Yeah. I mean, these are hug and a kiss. Anyway, I gonna go now. Oh, look, my favorite channel. Now I figure I can't be accused of infringing on some TV companies or record companies, infringement. As this is just a loop of YouTube. There we go. Good night.